Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with CoStar for market research and deal insights, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the CoStar website in your preferred browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the login or sign up option at the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you are a new user, click on sign up to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and any other relevant details. Next, create a secure password for your new account. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Look for a confirmation email sent to the address you provided. Open the email and follow the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the CoStar website. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Select the plan that best meets your research needs. Review the details of each plan, including pricing and available features. Enter any additional information required for billing. Make sure to review your payment details for accuracy. After entering all necessary information, confirm your subscription. Once the transaction is processed, you will receive a confirmation message on your screen. You may also receive a confirmation email detailing your subscription plan. To access market research and deal insights, navigate back to the dashboard. Explore the various tools and resources available under your subscription. Utilize the search functions to find specific market data or reports relevant to your interests. Refer to CoStar's Help Center for any questions or technical issues during your usage. You are now ready to dive into market research and gain valuable insights with your CoStar subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.